today, again, I will discuss with you two more concepts which is very much related to this chapter. One is acclimatization, and another one is the adaptation. Now, what is acclimatization? That is a small changes that take place in the body of a single organism over a short period to overcome small problems due to changes in the surroundings are called acclimatization. Now, I have used some phrases here. What are these? The small changes. Small change means the change which is not a major change that can change the overall structure of the organism. So it is a very superficial, minute change. Then over short period, what does it mean? That is for short period, that is for little bit of time, for those time which in which the environment is changing, and another is due to changes in the surrounding. That means maybe for any reason the surrounding environment has changed, although the change is not a permanent one. In those cases, the changes that take place in our body in order to adjust with that changed surrounding for a temporary period of time is called as the adaptation. Acclimatization. Now, what is the example? A very common example is that when you uh, climb up to a high altitude, there is an increase in the rate and depth of breathing. Suppose you are climbing up through this, even you can take the example of the staircase also. You are climbing up, that means your surroundings environments are changing. As a result of it, you are breathing faster. Y- Even whenever you are going for climbing to any mountains, even for the trekking, even for mountaineering, you can observe the persons, they are having some shortage in oxygen in surrounding medium. That's why, and also due to the due to the climbing up of the altitude, they breathe faster and deeper. So that can be known as or categorized as an example of acclimatization. With this, another concept is very common to you, that is adaptation. It is the process of change by which an organism or species become better suited to its environment. So, what is the difference? This is the permanent change. Like, say for example, in order to stay in the desert animals have developed certain features which is helping them to suit better in the desert environment, because in desert you can have different environments like very dry, and also other hostile environment which is not very prominent in the plain land or other land. So that is called the adaptation. The feature which the organisms are having in order to best suited with the surrounding environment is called as the adaptation. It is actually the change in the structure or function of an organism or any of its part that results from natural selection and by which the organism becomes better fitted. Okay, this is important. This word, better fitted, in order to survive better, they change their structure in such a manner so that they can be adjusted in that situation best. This is the adaptation. So, the main difference with the acclimatization is that adaptation is the permanent one, and also it does not take place in short time. Over thousands of years, thousands of changes, a person or an animal gets adapted to a particular environment. Hope it is clear to you what are the factors or the components of the environment and adaptation and acclimatization. Okay. So, thank you for this class.